Ya.
Okay.
Yes.
Oke, I'm on my way home here ya. Jadi agak sedikit goyang-goyang nggak apa-apa ya.
Yeah.
Oke, please you can start the meeting.
Oke. Tunggu. Hello. Hello. My name is Andi Gaisani Gina Amalia as General Manager. Good morning and best wishes to all of us. First, I would like to thank all the colleges who took the time to participate in today's employee gathering coordination. From now on, the Secretary shall submit progress from each division, beginning with the submission of proposal.
Okay. Hello, my name is Fitratul Ramadhani as Secretary. The brief explanation of the meeting topic will focus on one area, namely the company's annual excursion meeting, the proposal that has been submitted and will be submitted by the Secretary explains how the event will be carried out, who will participate, where it will be held, and when the event will be held. The proposal will be submitted to the treasurer for disbursement of funds that have been approved by the leadership. In addition, it will also be discussed with event organizer and employee representative so that the event is more efficient and as expected. The chairman of the meeting is Andi Gaisani as general manager. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Victor Ramadhani. Now, next to Financial Manager.
Hello, my name is Vita Dewi Kartikasari. I, as the head of the Finance Division, will explain the budget for the funds needed for this gathering event. The fund budgeted for the employee gathering is 150 million and has been adjusted to the existing rates in Bali. Lion Air flight ticket for the departure of 25 people are 11,825,000 with details per person for 473,000. Rova Kuta Hotels last night 300,000 single beds for 25 people with 3 days of stay. The hotel total is 22,500,000. Pandawa 87 SDD bus rental for 3 days is 31,500,000 with details of the rental price per day is 10,500,000. First day, lunch at RM Saras is 1,250,000 with 50,000 per person breakdown. Entrance, ticket to tourist attraction are accumulated to 10,500,000. The souvenir center per person is 500,000 and the total for 25 people is 12,500,000. The second day of dinner at Uluwatu with details per person 70,000 and a total of 1,750,000. Lion Air flight ticket from Bali to Jakarta are 30 million for 7,500,000 with details of the ticket price per person is 539,000. The estimate amount spent was around 105,300,000. Then the remaining 44,700,000 funds will be used for the needs of future employees. So, many reports from the finance department. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Vita Dewi. Now, next from Sonalia.
Hello, my name is Nabila Maria Rikina as a Sonalia. For each division, we have record who can participate in this annual outing. There are 2 people participate in this annual outing from the marketing division, 4 people from the production demand division, and 5 people from the information technology division. From this data, as many as 5 people can participate in this activity. So for our member who participate is 20 people. For those who did not participate, there was Mr. Kurni from the marketing division. Because of the condition of the body was not possible. Mrs. Karina from financial management because there were still job obligations that had not been fulfilled. Mrs. Nadia from the production who had to visit her sister who was sick. Mr. Kadi from marketing because there are family interests that are also held outside the city. And last, Mr. Tan from the marketing division has an interest in taking his parents to the airport for Umrah. Meanwhile, the other employee already conditioned and confirmed to be able to attend this annual outing. So, that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Nabila Maria. Okay, now next from event organizer.
Hello, my name is Nabila Asha Vidyanatama as event organizer. We are already cooperating with the trip there for mobilization and accommodation. For the mobilization, we will use 2 minibus. Breakfast will be provided from the accommodation, while for lunch and dinner, we will visit a restaurant that is very famous and has beautiful views. For the first day, we will visit 3 tourist attractions and a souvenir place. On the second day, we will also visit 3 tourist attractions and 1 souvenir place. And for the last day, we will only go to the biggest and famous souvenir place. Then we prepare to return to Jakarta. For the details of the trip, I will explain it. So here is our rundown in Bali for 3 days and 2 nights. On the first day, the group will depart from Jakarta to Bali. After arriving in Bali, the group will be directed to Rova Kuta Hotel to check in and breakfast. After that, the group will go to the first tourist spot, namely Tanah Lot. Tanah Lot means a land or island located at sea. After Tanah Lot, the group will visit the Bedugul Lake. That's very beautiful place, and don't forget it's very cold there, so please take a jacket. And we will continue our trip with lunch at Saras restaurant. After that, the group will be given time to shop at the Joger souvenir shop. And the last place we visited is Kuta Beach to see a sunset. And for the night, we have no activity. So all people free to go anywhere, but should back to hotel before 11 p.m. For the second day, the first tourist spot to be visited is the Tanjung Benua water sport. There's so much water sport you must try, like banana boat, and you can go to the Penyu Island with private boat. Then we will go to the Bajra Sandi Museum. Bajra Sandi Museum is a monument that symbolizes the struggle of the Balinese people. After the museum, we will visit to Krishna Bali. It's a souvenir shop, and there we will lunch too. In the evening, we go to Garuda Wisnu Kencana to see sunset and Kecak dance performance. The Garuda Wisnu Kencana statue is an icon of Balinese tourism as well as a symbol of saving the environment and the world. For the last place, we will go to Uluwatu to attend the gathering ceremony and for dinner. And the last day, we will only visit Cening Bagus souvenir shop before go to the airport to return back to Jakarta. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Nabila Asha. Okay, now is there any question? Okay,
I think no.
okay. If anyone has any question about anything we discussed today, feel free to send me an email. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, then. So congratulations, you finally made it ya. Akhirnya selesai juga. Udah pada ngantuk ini ya jam 1. Okay. So what I want to review is about the meeting itself. The meeting is like a planned meeting ya. Jadi meetingnya sebenarnya bagus, semuanya dapat porsi ngomong, semuanya role-nya sesuai dengan topiknya dan apa yang isi dari apa yang dibahas juga sudah cocok. Good, thumbs up ya, very good. Oke. Tetapi kelemahannya adalah ini seperti meeting yang direncanakan. Ya, jadi tidak spontaneous ya, conversation-nya itu enggak spontaneous ya. Spontaneous ini maksudnya misalnya siapa ini the finance department is telling about the budget ya, membicarakan tentang anggarannya, kemudian ada yang bertanya why is it so much, kenapa sebanyak itu. Nah ini nggak ada, semuanya dengerin aja. Kemudian sekretari bilang gini, semuanya dengerin aja. Jadi nggak ada nggak ada komunikasi dua arah. Jadi satu arah gantian gitu. It's like a planned meeting ya. Jadi sepertinya udah direncanakan kamu begini. Emang sih direncanakan, tapi direncanakannya adalah conversation-nya itu smooth gitu. Conversation-nya itu seperti benar-benar sedang berada di rapat. That's what I want ya. Tapi nggak apa-apa, ini kan awal ya. Redeknya aja udah 2 minggu Bu ini Bu ya. Nggak apa-apa. Jadi kurang-kurang dikit nggak apa-apa. Kemudian the language mastery, penguasaan bahasa Inggrisnya, ada yang sudah bagus membacanya, ada yang sudah bagus bicaranya, pronunciation-nya, tetapi juga ada yang masih ada salah-salah kata, salah-salah pronunciation ya. Nggak apa-apa, ini kan masih semester 1 ya. Jadi masih ada banyak waktu untuk memperbaiki. There are times you have a lot of times to fix it, to shape your language ya. Jadi jangan jangan bosan-bosan untuk terus belajar ya. Congratulations once again, and ada pertanyaan? Kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, I think we can end the presentation. Congratulations Vita, congratulations Fitroto, congratulations Andi Gaisani, congratulations Nabila, 2 Nabilas ya, oke. Congratulations. Habis ini langsung makan yang banyak ya. Karena pasti dari tadi nahan lapar ya. Oke. Ada pertanyaan?
Enggak,
Ma'am.
Oke, dan.
Enggak, Ma'am.
Foto, oke. Semuanya sekarang jadi suka minta foto. Gayanya jangan sarangi lagi loh ya. Apa gitu loh, jangan sarangi semua. Apa gitu.
Peace.
Oke. Siapa nih yang ngambil? Siapa yang ngambil foto?
Saya
Alma aja.
Oke.
Andi.
Alma, ayo Alma.
Andi.
1, 2, positif. Lagi.
Oke. Lagi.
Once again. 1, 2.
Oke. Shutternya itu benar-benar keras ya. Beneran saya ya. Oke, bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a good.
Waalaikumsalam. Waalaikumsalam
Terima kasih,
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ma'am.
Thank you, Miss.
Terima kasih, Ma'am.
Terima kasih, Ma'am.